Welcome to Scale-Tec. My name is Chris, and I will be training you on the point scale indicator. Adding point to your grain cart is easy. It only takes a few minutes, and you can do it in the field. Here's what you'll need. Make sure you grab a number 4 Phillips screwdriver, a 7/16 inch wrench, and your smart device. Remove point and the adapter base from the box. Slide the adapter base into the rails located on the back and bottom of point. When the adapter is flush and in place, use a number 4 Phillips screwdriver and tighten the 4 captive screws. Locate the rail mount with the 2 pre-installed disc magnets. Use caution. These magnets are extremely strong. Secure point to the rail mount using the 2 7/16 inch bolts provided. Determine the best location to place point on your grain cart. We recommend using the passenger side or the front of the grain cart. Auger location and configuration should be considered for the best line of sight and safety. To avoid pinching your fingers between the magnets and the grain cart, hold point by the sides and do not wrap your fingers around the back of point. Place point on the grain cart. Connect the ISOBUS and junction bank cables to the point adapter base. Connect the larger end of the ISOBUS cable to the 9-pin ISOBUS connection on the back of the tractor. Please note, the ISOBUS cable will supply the power to point, and no extra power cable is required. Do not turn on point until you have downloaded the app to your smart device. You'll need your phone or tablet to complete the next step. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. Download the Scale-Tec Point mobile app. Then go ahead and create an account and log into the app. Now it's time to turn on point by pressing the power button. To correctly calibrate point, apply your profile to your point indicator through the mobile app. Open the point app on your mobile device and follow the on-screen prompts to create your profile and complete the setup process. If the point scale indicator displays unload or load at the bottom of the screen on initial power up, press the square stop button to place point into gross mode. Once point activation is complete, you will see the live scale screen in the mobile app. Near the bottom of that screen, press choose mode and select power up. This enables the automatic PTO detection feature through the ISOBUS connection. To initialize the ISOBUS connection, you will need to turn the tractor key off. The ISOBUS connection will be recognized upon the next startup. Scale-Tec recommends testing your first load against a certified scale to confirm calibration is accurate. Your point scale indicator is now set up and ready for harvest. For more information, make sure you visit Scale-Tec.com.